3 billion devices run Java. And Java is only one of many popular programming languages. But why should I learn object-oriented programming? Programming is solving users' needs. It's a team effort.
Programming is lifelong learning. In every project, you learn something new.
Programming is a creative process. You can create something out of nothing.
Programming is logic. It's like a riddle. Sometimes it seems hard, but it's very rewarding when you find a solution. You will learn object-oriented programming.
Object-oriented programming reflects the human way of thinking.
Object-oriented programming distributes tasks and responsibilities.
Object-oriented programming allows us to reuse components. Java is a great language to get started. In our course, we will cover the basics of Java and object-oriented programming, and some other things. Join our free online course on object-oriented programming in Java.